Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos and a little how-to video on when you have a big tire that has frozen lug nuts on it and you don't have an impact wrench to get them off. Okay, so got the, what's this thing called?
I guess it's a T-wrench.
The T-wrench thing. See it? Anyway, so it's on the lug nut in there, and then he's got a chain here, so he's holding on, hanging that on there on this three-legged tripod thingy that he uses. So he's just got the chain looped over it here, and anyway, so it's been working, and he's just been stepping on the bar, and it's because he can't turn them by hand yet. Okay, so anyhow, just an idea.